Martin here at Southport Automart. This is us. Just had loads of new cars land. Check back soon to see some more online. That's the parent Honda dealer that provides us with the bulk of our cars in part exchange. Also do our servicing, MOT's, safety checks, pre-delivery inspections, etc. And this lovely little thing is a 1464 Fiesta 1.25 Zetec. The sort of is a car that needs no introduction really. The Fiesta is just one of the best little hatchbacks out there. The service history on this car is phenomenal, which I'll show you in a little bit. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. The reputations of them precede them. They've got a great little spec as standard with Bluetooth and air conditioning. This one was taken in part exchange next door at the Honda garage. I think they were buying a Jazz maybe. So I'm going to take you around the car because I will stress it is not perfect cosmetically. We always try and show you all the bad bits on the videos as well as the good bits. I mean, it is a 7-year-old car, but I think it's pretty good for its age. There's some stone chips on the bonnets there. Mark on that alloy. This is the worst bit of it. There's just a little nick on the rear quarter and just there. We will try and improve that with a polish, and we'll try and see if our dent man can do anything about that dent, but you know, just want to point out it is there at the moment. But aside from that, especially around this side, it's a pretty tidy car. That is that you can just see there is just a bit of polish. Sorry, we'll get the valeters to go back over that again. Yeah, a little mark on that alloy there. And that one. But 7-year-old car, 40,000 miles, it's value. It's really good value. Front fog lamps on there as well as part of the Zetec trim. Let's just have a little look on here. So yeah, 42,084 miles. And then if I just get the book pack out here, I'll show you this. Our service portfolio. So pre-delivery inspection in 2014, then serviced in 15 at 8,267 miles, 17,23,759, 18,37,95, 19,36,707, and 40,526. So it was only serviced 2,000 miles ago, and it will get a fresh service and MOT prior to delivery as well. I'll just give you another lap round it. So yes, you know, we won't try and hide anything. It's not perfect cosmetically, but for a car of its age, it's pretty damn good. And Fiesta's excellent in terms of reliability, low maintenance cost, they're cheap to tax, cheap to insure, cheap to run, very good on fuel. And one with a service history like that, you just know that the nuts and bolts of the cars are probably going to be pretty well held together. If you'd like a finance quotation, part exchange price, if you have any more questions or want any more videos, anything at all, just get in touch with us. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.